Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install MariaDB on Linux. So first of all, I will open the browser and I will go into the official MariaDB site in order to see the steps that we need to do in our installation. So I will type in the search bar MariaDB for Linux. And right now, maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is a MariaDB. MariaDB is an open source relational database management system and is compatible with MySQL. So this is really useful. We have two sites. We will use the second one because for me the second one is more simple and easiest. So installing MariaDB Server guide is from mariadb.com. And here you have the whole link. If you want to, you can rewrite this. So now we have steps for Linux, Ubuntu, Debian and Red Hat based distributions. I don't know if it works for different distributions. You can use it if you are on one of this. So for Ubuntu and Debian, first of all we need to do sudo apt update. So I will open the terminal and I will type in sudo apt update. Of course we have to type in my password. And right now, as you can see, for Red Hat distribution, so for example for Fedora, you have to use either sudo yum update or sudo dnf update for older or newer systems. So you can test it on your own, but if you are on the Ubuntu or Debian, you can use sudo apt update, same as me. And now we did our update, and now we can move to our installation. And again, we have two comments. First of all, for Ubuntu and Debian. A second one is for Red Hat based distribution. So I will use the sudo apt install mariadb-client and so on. So I will type it in sudo apt install MariaDB Server, MariaDB-client and Galera -4. Maybe I will make it a little bit bigger. I will press enter and now we have to wait. Do you want to continue? Of course we want to continue, so I will type in Y, press enter, that stands for yes. And now we have a progress. As you can see, it is going pretty fast. So it is at 90%, so almost at the end. And now, after the installation, we will be moving to the first step, the secure the installation. So, as you can see, we have something like this. After installation, run the security script to set root password, remove anonymous users, and disable remote login. So follow the prompts to configure your security settings. So we will type in this command. This command I guess is working on every distribution because it doesn't have anything with install. So I will type sudo mariadb-secure installation like this, and I will press enter. And as you can see, enter a current password for root. We don't have a password for root, so we will press just enter. And now switch to Unix token authentication. Maybe we will not switch, so I will press no. You can switch if you want to. Basically you can choose whatever you want to and change the password for root. We will press Y because we don't have a root password, so I will press Y and I will set a new password. So I will do something like this. I will re-enter the new password. I will press enter. Remove anonymous users. So here it was recommended to remove anonymous users, I guess, so we will do it. So yes, of course. Disallow login root remotely. We can disallow that. If you don't want to disallow that and you will use it, so you can press no. Remove test databases and access to it, maybe no. And reload privileges tables now. I think we can use that and we can press yes. Now we have another step, check status. So to check status we have to type in sudo systemctl status mariadb and we have to press enter. As you can see, the status is active running, everything is enabled, so everything is working. so we can skip the start service step. If your MariaDB is, for example, inactive or is disabled right there, or when it's stopped, you can use the sudo systemctl start mariadb command and it will work. The last one is verify installation by connecting as a root. So mariadb -u, that stands for user, the user will be root, and -p stands for password. And now we have to, of course, but I didn't do a yes, I made a mistake. I say Marta, that have to be MariaDB, of course. I apologize, but now we have to type in the password that we set up in the secure installation configuration, basically in this step right here. So I will type my password, and as you can see, MariaDB database is working. We can, for example, do show databases, I think, because we didn't delete test databases, so it should work. As you can see, we have some databases: information schema, MySQL, performance schema, and sys. It is system updating, doesn't really matter. It is not contained with it is not connected with a MariaDB database. And in order to exit that, we can type in exit like this. So as you can see, and if you want to, at the end I will tell you how to check the installed version. So you can type in mariadb -- version like this, and it will show you MariaDB version 15.1, distribution 10.11.13. So this is how you can install MariaDB on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.